Dive 852 at Police Corner in Komodo, Indonesia. This was a dive from February 2026 and was aboard the Komodo Aggressor as part of a weeks-long liveaboard around the central and south of the national park. Police Corner starts off as a drift dive over the shallow bit of reef, then it ends in an overhang where there is lots of life. So starting off, we had this slow drift here with lots of fish around the hard corals. There we've got a Halfmoon Triggerfish and a family of Clark's Anemonefish in the centre of shot right now. Some more fish there. Bridled Monocle Bream just making its way into shot, and a pair of singular Bannerfish. Then we headed down over the drop-off and onto the wall itself. Here is a racing stripe flatworm and a Chamberlain's Nembrotha nudibranch. That's that drop we just came down, a bit sheltered from the current here. Managed to find a Peacock Manta shrimp hiding under a rock here. It's quite difficult to get a good shot of it where it was, but managed to at least get the whole thing in shot here from the side. And there is also a black Velutin snail there. There's a small, fairly translucent shrimp in this cave that I have not been able to ID properly. And here we have an Egyptian sea star, covered in lots of warts. Spotfin lionfish there. And then swimming across shot is a diagonal banded Sweetlips. In the distance there was an Oceanic manta ray past us. And here we have a funeral Jorunna nudibranch, so called because it's dressed in black. Had the school of silvery fish here. They were slightly too far away to fully ID, but they were schooling as we made our way out from the overhang and started to drift along the reef itself again. Shallowing up here, we have a pair of Blackfin Dartfish, which will disappear in a second, and then managed to find another Peacock Mantis shrimp. This one was fully out in the open and didn't seem too scared of me in the camera. In a second it will put its front arms out, and you can see all the colours there, because it has a look at me. And then we finished the dive doing the safety stop on this shallow reef shelf here.